Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create cocktail recipes, only way. Start by selecting a base spirit, then pick one or two modifiers, add an acid and a sweetener, and plan dilution and garnish choices up front. Taste as you mix, adjusting proportions by 10% increments until balance feels right. Keep clear notes on ratios, glassware, and serving temperature to reproduce or tweak recipes easily with confidence. Choose quality ingredients and measure precisely to build reliable cocktails each time. Use fresh citrus, high-proof spirits when needed, and balanced sweeteners like simple syrup or liqueurs to achieve clarity and flavor. Consider texture agents like egg white or foam, and bitters for depth and complexity. Test one change at a time, record exact measurements in milliliters or ounces, and always taste with the intended glassware and ice. Refine recipes through structured testing, using controlled ratios and blind tastings when possible. Start with a base ratio like 2:1 and vary one element to isolate its effect, then scale up using batch math for parties while maintaining garnish timing. Note shelf life for pre-batched components and label containers with dates so your cocktails stay consistent, safe, and easy to reproduce when served later or transported to events.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.